Welcome to my channel. This is your boy Prince Recy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends.
In Canada, there are multiple ways to wash your car. I've compiled two videos, a part 1 and a part 2, to show you how I wash my car. Right, the first way is going through a touchless car wash and allowing the machine to wash the car for me. And the second way is just by using the hose, spraying down the dirt off the car. There's also another way where you could go into a car wash and use a brush and soap, wash it down, and then spray it with a power hose as well. So there are multiple ways, but I'll show you part 1, part 2. How we do it here, how we wash our cars, and you can also comment how you wash your car in your country. Thank you again for tuning into Prince Recy Adventure, and I hope to see you in the next one.
Thank you for stopping by. Please tell a friend to subscribe.